सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यम् करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ शन्नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षम् ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षम् ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतम् वदिष्यामि सत्यम् वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परम् ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गurave नमः। Today's our mantra is found in Purusha Suktam as a Shanti mantra, Purusha Suktam, and also in some of the Upanishads and Vedas. It is the simple mantra Om Tat Chanyora Vrunimahe Gatum Yajnaya Gatum Yajnapataye Daivihi Swastirastu Naha Swastira Manushebhyaha Urdhvam Jigatu Bheshajam Shanno Astu Dvipade Sham Chatushpade. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So, one of the every of the Veda mantra has got so many different heights and levels of meaning. If you have the interest to know, if you have the ability to delve in depth, with all that intricate meanings, with every word's meaning and sentence meaning, we can talk on this for hours together. But literally we are saying the simple meaning to keep in our heart while chanting. Om is the name of Lord. It is an address to the Lord. It is a feeling that I have addressed to the Lord by name Om, and He has heard that address and He is ready to listen to my appeal or prayer. All that is Om. You cannot say that you call somebody and have no faith that he responds. And without our own faith that he responds, our call really becomes futile only. And the person, the more greater he is, the more the help you seek from him, the more we want him to respond, the more ardent should be our calling of him. Is it not? Our Om should come that way, from the depth and core of our heart, where we want the Lord to exclusively listen to our prayer, answer our prayer. That is Om, practice from today. Then we are telling in front of the Lord some pratignyas, and we are asking for some blessings and favors. What is it? Tat Sham Avrunimahe. This is the first sentence. Mahe means plural. Vahe means singular. He, vahe, mahe. So, mahe means plural, we all. So, vrunimahe means we are all doing the varanam, vru varane. So, varanam means what? We are seeking, we are selecting, both of them. Avrunimahe means with heart, with dil se, we are seeking and we are trying to gain in our life. What is that? Tat Sham. Tat Sham. That Sham, that peace, that quietness, that tranquility, be attentive, which is there in the Lord, which the Lord gives us in our mind and intellect. With this sham or peace in the mind which the Lord has given us, again we reach the God Himself. That Shanti, that sham. That Shanti means what? The stopping of agitations of the body. That is bodily Shanti. The stopping of unnecessary activities. That is the Shanti of the Pranamaya Kosha. The stopping of the perception of the objects by the senses. This is the Shanti of the Indriyas. Then the quietening of the thoughts of the mind, it is called as the Shanti of the mind. See how many levels it is there. And this Shanti, to achieve anything which we want, for that whatever the efforts we have to put, and what is that which makes us the efforts put is this Shanti, peace, tranquility, stability, quietness, balance, which is gained through efforts. So we are seeking the Lord as well as we are telling the Lord that we are Avrunimahe. We are doing the Varna of that Shanti. Therefore, to be peaceful is our duty and our goal. By all means and practices, we have to gain this peace at all levels and maintain it. And there is no more greater valuable thing in this world than the peace. शांति से बढ़कर कोई दूसरा सुखी चीज नहीं है. अशांतस्य कुतः सुखम. So tat sham avruणीमहे. We are invoking that peace. What will you do when you attain this peace? With the grace of the Lord, also with your disciplined life, with your own choice. What do you do? Gatum yajnaya. Gatum yajnaya means, gatum is to sing and to perform. Yajnaya means the yajna karma. To perform the yajna karmas perfectly, step by step, only then the results will come. I need to have full quietude of all my faculties. The quiet faculties make me function well. And when you start functioning with full concentration on any given job, the faculties also get quietened. They are mutual. If you have not maintained the faculties for their quietness, performance cannot be great. And if you are not interested properly in the performance, like now while listening this class, your mind is never quieted. That way, as I told you, the mantra has deeper lot of meanings. So I am entering to that explanation. We'll stop it there. So Gatum Yajnaya means I will attain the health and peace. Sham means health. Sham means peace. Sham means the power. Sham means energy. Sham means all abilities, faculties fully there in that. So we are ready for this lockdown for 1 month, 2 months. Because we have prepared with all the things required at home. That's what Sham. What do you do with that? Gatum Yajnaya. To perform the yajna karmas and also to perform all my duties with the yajna spirit. So this is my commitment. There are two commitments. One is what? I want to gain the peace. Second is with the peace gained, I want to use the energy conserved with peace for the performance of yajna. Therefore, in other words, O Lord, I am praying you to give me faculties in such a way that I am able to do the yajnas. And in yajna, we invoke God for everybody. We invoke God to become godly. Then Gatum Yajnapataye. And whom we are worshipping through this yajna? That Yajnapati. There are two ways. We worship the Yajnapati through the yajna to get the yajna phala, different results which we want. Then another way of worshipping Yajnapati through yajna is what? No yajna phala other than Yajnapati himself. Yajno, Yajnapati Yajva, Yajnango, Yajnavahana. Now this is how an individual evolves in his life, in his pursuits or purushartha, from kama to the artha, from the artha to the dharma. So that yajna performance is dharma. From dharma to the moksha, where he says, Gatum Yajnapataye means what? I want this peace and tranquility and steadiness and power in all my faculties. For what? To sing the Yajnapati, to sing the glory of the God, to invoke His grace so that we reach out Him only, because He is only the source of all peace and happiness. Gatum Yajnaya that is doing the dharma, gatum yajnapataye, doing the sadhana to reach the God. I want the peace. When we ask for the peace of mind or sham of faculties, it means what? Those things which disturb the peace of mind, called as inner vasanas, eliminated. Those things which disturb the peace or sham of the mind, called as outer perceptions, their arrival curtailed. That natural habitual error of the faculties to get disturbed unnecessarily, that also is curtailed. Thus, we are doing everything peacefully, quietly, systematically, disciplinedly, in such a way that the performance itself gives the joy, and that joyful performance takes us to the result, which is again the joy. So, tatcham avrunimahe. We are invoking that peace by grace of Lord, by our own effort. I already told both. Grace of Lord by prayer, by effort means curtailing the distracting factors. What do you do with that conserved energy, like with 1 hour session today, 40 minutes? We really gain that shanti. Because we are chanting Veda mantra. We are listening to the meaning of Vedas. Definitely, otherwise, whatever may be our personality, at this time after this chanting, if you have really attentively attended, we will gain that shanti. क्या करोगे उससे? गातुम यज्ञाया. Let you go out of this meditation session to do the yajna karma in this world. And then while doing that also, after finishing that also, let the goal be not anything other than the God. Gatum yajnapataye. Then we experience, now these are all called commitments. Now the prayers. Daivihi swasti astu naha. Naha asmabhyam, to all of us, swasti astu. Swasti, well-being be there. Which type of well-being? Is it material well-being? No. Daivi swasti astu. Or let the God bless us to be swastha. This is one meaning. Or let there be the swasti in us of the divinity. Swasti means to be in the well-being. Swasti or swasti. Su asti. Sushtu asti is the swasti. So Daivi swasti astu means may we get the peace in that Daivi anubhava, in the divine experience. Daivi swasti astu naha. Then the most beautiful 3 prayers are coming, 3 prayers. One is Daivi swasti astu naha, then swastir manushebhyaha. Let every human being in this world have that swasti. Let none of them have aswasthata at any level of their personality or time of their life. This should be a prayer of a human being, because only a human being can pray like this. And remember, when I pray for all humanity, we are only adding to the invocation of grace of God for everybody's well-being, and we are not losing anything for us. हमारा कुछ नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है. तो दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः. And the next one, ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजम्. Let that bheshajam, let that medicine, all plants of this universe are technically called, according to our spiritual Hindu Sanatana Dharma, as medicines. Shrutviyadhisya chikitsadam bhiksha aushadam bhujyatam. So this bheshajam means medicine, means all the plants. Urdhvam jigatu. May they grow up and higher so beautifully to yield all the fruits and flowers and whatever is required for maintenance and beauty of this world and beings. Not that whole trees just bend down, lie down and die down. We are praying to the God. Urdhvam jigatu bheshajam. No deforestation, only afforestation. It also our effort. In this lockdown period, you can grow so many plants. Then the beautiful thing, Shamno astu dvipadehe naha, among us, whoever are there of dvipada, having 2 feet, let every one of them be peaceful. Like so many birds and all of them have dvipadas. Shamno astu dvipade. You see, we have prayed for ourselves. Then we prayed for all human beings. We prayed for all the trees and flora and all of that. We prayed for all the Dvipadas. And last one, Sham Chatushpade. Let all the Chatushpada, those who have got the 4 feet, 4 legs, all the animals. It includes everything, even a centipede and all. That means what? This world is so beautiful because of the divine Paramatma expressing as life through so many living beings and organisms. Let the Lord's, this expression of the life, be so beautiful in this world becomes a heaven to all of us. ये दुनिया सबका है, सब इसमें खुशी से, शांति से साथ में रहना है एक दूसरा. And the highest wisdom is to maintain this peace and tranquility of the world. If required, I must be ready to sacrifice myself, and not that I sacrifice or destroy the world for my own selfish purposes. This is not maturity. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let there be Sthula Sharira Shanti, Sukshma Sharira Shanti, Karana Sharira Shanti. Again I am saying, Om, name of the Lord, Tat Shamyo Avruni Ravrimehe. We are invoking and searching or seeking or selecting that peace which comes from the Lord. Gatum Yajnaya, Gatum Yajnapataye. For singing this yajna or performing the yajnas and praying or praising the Lord. Gatum Yajnapati, Daivihi Swasti Astunaha. Let there be divine peace and joy to us. Then Swastir Manushebhyaha. Let every human being be healthy, irrespective of whoever they are there. Urdham Jigatu Veshajam. Let the plants grow healthy. They are also taken care. Shannostu Dipade. Let all the birds and every one of them be Sham Shanta Ananda Yukta. Sham Chatushpade. Let all other beings also be happy. Thus, by the grace of Lord and our performance and our effort together, we will make the world as a place of happiness for everyone. This is a divine mantra of which only 2% meaning we shared. A lot of explanation can be given. Now we will chant this mantra because this is a small mantra for 36 times. After that, we will do the 18 times of Om chanting. Then quietly, we will wind up the session. Those who want to continue, they continue doing it for 72 more times. Thus it becomes 108. Now just be quiet, sit straight as much as possible. Don't strain much together. We are only infants now in this sadhana. We just were born 2 days back only. So inspiring ourselves, trying our best, we will focus on every letter of the chanting and every meaning of the word. Start. Om Tachayyoravruниmahe Gatum Yajnaya Gatum Yajnapataye Daivi Swastirastu Naha Swastirmanushebhyah Urdhvan Jigatu Bheshajam Shanno Astu Dvipade Sham Chatushpade Om Shanti 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 Om Tachamyoravruниmahe Gatum Yajnaya Gatum Yajnapataye Daivi Swastirastu Naha Swastirmanushebhyah Urdhvan Jigatu Bheshajam Shanno Astu Dvipade Sham Chatushpade Om Shanti 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 Om Tachamyoravruниmahe Gatum Yajnaya Gatum Yajnapataye Daivi Swastirastu Naha Swastirmanushebhyah Urdhvan Jigatu Bheshajam Shanno Astu Dvipade Shan Chatushpade ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छयोरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छयोरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजौ शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजौ शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजौ शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तच्छम्योरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीश्रुतिमात्रे नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ In this mantra, everything is plural. So we all invoke peace together. We all will perform the yajnas. We all should become blessed with divine experiences. We all should take care of all human beings, all plants, all birds and all animals for all the peace and happiness. Let all beings be safe and healthy and happy. Let all beings be good and righteous in their being. Let all beings pursue the goal of God. Let all experience the divinity in themselves and all around. O Lord, O Guru Parampara, bless all your children. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम।